Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's first online session of chapter number 7. And the name of our chapter number 7 is Jugs and Mugs. Now in this chapter we are going to study the concept regarding liter and milliliter. As you already getting basic knowledge of liter and milliliter in your third standard. Now in our this fourth standard, we are taking more knowledge and we learn more concept regarding liters and milliliters. But now today we see one small story which was given in your textbook. So let us see and let us study the story. But before that, I want to tell you that thing. You are getting the answer key of chapter number 4 and 6 next week onwards. So please wait till next week. Now let us see the story. Bunny and Bunno celebrate their wedding anniversary. Here these two are the characters. These two characters celebrate their wedding anniversary. And do you remember the wedding anniversary? The wedding in Bunny's family last year? In our third standard, they were given one small story of Bunny and Bunno. Bunny and Bunno decided to have a party 1 year after their wedding. After completion of the 1 year of their wedding, they are decided that we have to give one party to our friends and family members. See here in your third standard, the chapter number 11, Jugs and Mugs, and we already studied this weddings in Bunny's family, the story of this. So now in a fourth standard, they complete the 1 year. So they are deciding that we have to give the party to our family and friends. They invited their families and friends, as you know already, in our happiness time for the celebration of anything. We all invite our family members and to our friends for their enjoyment. We also enjoy and they will also enjoy. They made a special sweet dish. So in that party they are deciding we have to make one special sweet dish and the name of sweet dish is kheer. All the animals came. These all are the animals, their friends, some of them are friends and some of them are families members. So they all are came. They are running, hopping and even crawling because they all enjoy this party. The elephant is drinking 50 liters of kheer. Here they were given that the elephant is drinking kheer and how much? He is drinking 50 liters of kheer. Now, the giraffe is drinking how many liters? Can you guess how many liters giraffe is drinking? You can write down anything, but it should be less than 50 liters. Why? Because elephant is the biggest animal, so he is drinking more. The giraffe is smaller. It's not like an elephant. Therefore, whatever you have to write down, but that should be less than 50 liters. So here I am telling that the giraffe is drinking 34 liters. You have to write down the answer approximately. Now the cow is drinking. Now you see here, elephant is biggest After that, the giraffe is there and the cow is smaller than giraffe. So whatever the answer you have to write down, but it should be less than 34 liter. So here I am telling that the cow is drinking 12 liters of kheer. Now from this you have to learn that the biggest thing, the biggest animal whose capacity is more than the another, and the smaller thing which occupies, it consume less quantity. Then came the squirrel. After came the squirrel, she said, I can't drink 1 liter of kheer. The squirrel is smaller, so she is telling that I can't drink 1 liter of kheer. So you just please give me only 500 milliliter. The donkey asked, 500 milliliters of kheer? Donkey doesn't know how much, what is the quantity of 500 milliliters. Isn't that more than a liter? So you see here, 500 milliliter is less than 1 liter or more than 1 liter, because the donkeys did not know what is the biggest quantity and which one is the smallest. So here we can say that the milliliter is the smallest unit of capacity, whereas liter is the biggest unit of quantity. So here we can say that 500 milliliter is more than a liter or it is a less than a liter. So we can say that it is a less than a liter. Then the fox said that, come on, don't behave like a donkey. Because donkey doesn't know the difference between the 500 milliliters and 1 milliliter. 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to, we can say that, 1000 milliliter, and the 500 milliliter is half of the liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So what is the half of the 1000 milliliter? The half of the 1000 milliliter is 500 milliliter. So we can say that half of the liter is 500 milliliter. The frog hopped along with the 9 other friends. Now in that party, frog is also coming, and frog is coming with their friends. And how many of them? They are 9 friends. He said, oh, we only want 1000 milliliter each. Okay, here is your key, said the cat while serving the kheer. When frog was coming, at that time he says that we want only the 1000 milliliter each, means one frog drink 1000 milliliter, means we can say that 1 liter. So while the kheer was serving by cat, she is telling that here is your kheer. She took 10 glass and poured 100 milliliter kheer in each glass. So what she is doing? She is taking 10 number of the glass, and in each glass she poured 100 milliliters. The donkey looked confused. Always the donkeys are confused. First he confused in 500 milliliter and in 1 liter. Now he is also confused in that, and he is just asking that 10 glasses of 10 milliliter each. How much is that? So here He doesn't know what is the total quantity. So he is just asking that 10 glass of 100 milliliter each means how much? The fox got another chance to show off. Now again, the fox gave the answer to the donkey. He says that, that is the simple thing. 10 times 100 milliliters, it means 10 multiplied by 100. So as you know that in a 10, 1 0 are there, in a 100, 2 zeros are there. So 1 ones are 1 and after 1 there are 3 0. So it becomes 1000 milliliters. So we can say that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. And we can say that 10 multiplied by 100 milliliter is equal to 1000 milliliter. If you want to make this 1000 milliliter, then you have the different ways to express the 1000 milliliter in addition as well as in the multiplication. Look, a group of ants is marching here, means a group of ants is coming. The grasshopper says to other members and to other friends that a group of ants is marching, means they are coming here. The kheer is finished. Now already that the frog and his friends are coming. That's why the kheer is finished. Now what can we do? Now the cat asks that. In the party, a group of ants is coming, and when they are coming, before that the kheer is finished. So Kate asked and said sadly that, now what can we do? Don't worry, they won't eat, they won't drink much. Some of them friends or some of them are families members are says that, don't worry. The ant looks tiny. She is too small as compared to the other animals. So they are telling that, don't worry. They won't drink each much. Means they are not drinking much. Each of them will take only 1 milliliter because they are this small. That's why they says that, and they are just discussing that the ant is looks so tiny, therefore they are not drinking much. They are just drinking only 1 milliliter. That's all. I will share my kheer with them, the elephant said. Elephant says that, and he knows that already the kheer is finished. So elephant says that I will share my kheer with them, and wipe the cat's tear with his ear. So when the kheer is finished, after that the cat sees that the ant and the groups are coming and kheer is finished. So she is not feeling well. She is just starting crying. So elephant says that I will share my kheer with them, and after that the elephant wiped the cat's tear. How many are you all together? Elephant asked. Elephant asked to the ant that, how many are you all? We are only 1000. How many ants are there? A group of ants is 1000, said the ants. The cat said, oh no, 1000? After listening this, she is also confused and says that, oh no, 1000 ants? We have to give the kheer to 1000 ants? After thinking, the elephant says that no problem, I can manage, because The maximum kheer drink by the elephant. Each ant drink 1 milliliter of kheer. So 1000 ants drink 1000 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1000 milliliter. As I already telling that if you want to make 1000 milliliter, then there are the different ways. The first one we see that 10 glass multiplied by 100 milliliter each, means in a 1 glass there is 100 milliliter. So in a 10 glass how many? So 10 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now you can see in this another one, 1000 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1000 milliliter. They will need the same as 10 frogs, said the donkey. Now again the donkey says that, again donkey shows the foolishness of him. All ants drank the kheer. Everyone was happy. They will enjoy this party. They sung and danced to celebrate the wedding anniversary. Thank you. I hope you all enjoy this story.